We are going to discuss hair fall solutions. Hair fall is divided into two things: medical treatment and surgical treatment. Surgical treatment should be decided by the patient himself, because a patient who is totally bald and he is happy in his life, then surgeon is not authorized or having any authority to advise him to go for surgery. But hair fall solutions, medical solutions, should be provided by the surgeon himself, because everyone who is going for surgery or not should be taking care of hair fall every time, because it starts in early 20s in male gender and keeps on going till 80s. So we need to address the hair fall in early ages, because if it starts in early ages at the age of 20-21, then what would be happening to you in 30s and 40s and 50s and so on. So you should be going to a doctor, and who is the treating doctor? Hair restoration surgeon, properly qualified by ABHRS, American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery.